Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring you have an administrator account so changes stick. Once ready, press Windows plus X and open Device Manager. You need to locate the Human Interface Devices branch because most touch drivers live there. Make sure to expand that node and look for entries like HID-compliant touchscreen or similar names. This is the first actionable step. Once you see the correct device, pause and get ready to disable it. Do not uninstall yet if you want an easy restore. Now you will disable the touch interface. Right-click the HID-compliant touchscreen device and choose Disable Device. You will get a confirmation prompt, so confirm to proceed. If you have more than one touch-related entry, repeat the process for each one to ensure touch is fully off. This approach stops the driver from receiving input without removing it, which makes re-enabling faster. Once disabled, test the screen with a finger tap to verify that touch input no longer registers. To finish, you can re-enable the touchscreen by returning to Device Manager and selecting Enable Device. This restores touch immediately. If disabling caused unexpected issues, use Device Manager to roll back the driver or run system restore to a prior point, because that preserves system stability. Make sure to check Windows Update for an updated driver if touch is flaky. Troubleshooting tip: if touch still works after disabling, reboot and confirm you disabled every HID touch entry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.